All right, so we are going to start with a bata de cola. Now, you know, each bata is different. Each one has a different weight, different way of flowing. So everything that I teach you, you are going to have to adapt it for your own bata. And if you have multiple batas, you'll have to adapt it for each one. But first thing is definitely being able to move the legs underneath it. So we're going to start without the skirt on. So mainly, the idea you'll want to always have is that the skirt, you are holding it with your leg, okay? So you're going to do a lot of movement when you're always going to be turned out, and that standing leg is going to be bent, and then a lot of time that the leg that's moving the bata is out to the side. So it's not with the knee, but it's leading with the hip. So you want to make sure that the knee is down, even though it's out. So you're not lifting the knee, you're lifting the hip. So you're going to feel it right here for sure. And the idea is that your leg is always placing the bata, right? So you're placing the bata and you're pivoting with that standing leg to move it around. So the first thing we do is just get used to the idea of lifting the leg and pivoting on that standing leg. Okay, and then down. Lift up, pivot, down, up, pivot, down, up, pivot, down. Now it's really important that you lean in the opposite direction so that you're not standing up straight. So if you're standing up straight and you're lifting your leg, you're going to hurt yourself and it looks goofy and you won't be able to do anything really. So you need to kind of lean over a little bit. You see how I'm bending at the waist here. So again, you want to pivot, 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 pivot. Because you'll see once we get the skirt on, when I'm trying to bring the skirt forward, I'm not going to be leading it with the knee, right? I'm actually going to be picking it up, placing it, picking it up, place, pick it up, place, pick it up, and place. And then for the other movement to go backwards, it's the same. This is going to be different in that you actually are going to kick it and kick it back and kick it back and kick it back and kick it back. Okay, and so here you are going to bend, boop, booty, 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 and kick back. All right, so those two moves that we're going to use all the time while wearing a bata is lift with the leg and down, lift with the leg and down, lift with the leg down, lift and down, and then we're going back, pop, 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 and pop. Okay, so you got to be comfortable with bending those legs, bending those knees, keeping them bent. All right, let's get the skirts on and go.